thewellnesscouch.com, streaming wellness into your lives.
Welcome to 100 Not Out, featuring your hosts Dr. Damien Christoph and Marcus Pearce.
Hello, Marcus Pearce and Damien Christoph coming to you from the beautiful island of Ikaria. We are here on the 100 Not Out Longevity Retreat, and Damien Christoph, this very first retreat at this blue zone we call Ikaria has been an absolute blast, hasn't it?
Oh, Marcus, amazing. What a beautiful location, incredible location. You can hear the cicadas in the background, that beautiful sound of a cicada. But no, quite seriously, a heart-opening, a mind-altering event where we've shared an incredible amount of time with 13 beautiful people with us here in Ikaria for the first time, exploring I suppose many of the secrets of the Ikarian way and how they age beautifully well.
Now, on this video, we want to share with you some of these secrets, which again, we don't want to make it sound so mysterious that they're something that can't be applied.
Yeah, or found out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But what I think is important, Damo, is to recognise that this trip would not have happened without your fears around getting older.
From little things, big things grow, and I was fearful, and in fear you can either retreat and hide, or you can face your fears full on, head on. And Marcus made me face mine full on. I was fearful at the age of 39 of turning 40. I don't know why, because it's actually been really amazing since turning 40, but my 30s were something I really wanted to hang on to, but you can only hang on to them for 10 years. And and so I was nervous about turning 40, so we started the podcast 100 Not Out, where we explored the secrets of those people that were aging well, the secrets of longevity, so to speak. And throughout our journey, we've been able to understand more about nutrition and more about exercise and mindfulness and purpose and engagement, happiness and community, and all of the things that we've found out through our exploration of longevity and what helps somebody successfully age. We've been able to, I suppose, integrate and share and live and breathe here in Ikaria.
When we started the podcast, we really thought we would be confirming that the fountain of youth to a great long life was food.
That's it.
Through the meat world or the carnivorous, and you're very plant-based.
Or omnivorous.
That's a far better term.
Yes.
Myself looking through the vegan eyes, and we found out pretty quickly that was not the case.
That's right. What we did find is that not every single person eats very, very well. In fact, very few people who age to a ripe old age, which we might consider to be successful, we'll break that down. What we did find is that very few people who made it to 100 plus ate very, very well as their sole, I suppose, secret or their only factor of helping them age well.
Whilst we've been here, we've been observing how the Ikarians live their life, and let's go through the three major tenets of a great long life, and then we want to apply that for you, the viewer, the listener, so that you feel that you can apply some of this to your own life, and then after that we'll share with you what the 100 Not Out lifestyle program is all about.
Yep, sounds good to me. So what we've learned and we learned this very early on, as Marcus shared before, was that we thought that it was going to be all about food. We learned very early on that food wasn't in the top three influences of longevity. Yes, we understand that food decreases the risk of disease. Yes, we understand that food helps you bloat less. And yes, you can feel better by eating great food. And so if you're 20 years old and you're tired and you want to feel better with more energy, then you go and eat better food. If you're 90 years old and you're tired and you want to feel better and you're bloated, then you go and change your diet and you'd eat better. So we knew that was a factor, but not necessarily something that got you there. The number one thing that we found was having a purpose. We found that people who were purposeful or had a reason to be in existence, something that they look forward to doing every single day, they were the sort of people that were able to stay well for a long time and stay around for a long time. They aged really well because they were purposeful in what they were doing.
We've noticed here that people get great purpose, get great fulfillment out of what we would call simple things: growing grapes, baking bread,
getting olives out of the tree.
Hillary, one of our attendees here, stopped baking her own sourdough bread because of the anti-grain movement, and she said she hasn't done it for 2 years and she has missed it so much. And on this trip, she has decided that she's going to go back to doing what she loves to do.
Yeah, and that's a really exciting thing because there is a tendency, particularly in the Western world and also very much so in Australia, where things are black and white, right or wrong, good or bad. We see all this kind of, pent up emotion about doing something that's slightly different to what another person's doing, and you think that they're doing it wrong. Well, what we're learning is that extreme frustration, that extreme approach to trying to live a life or trying to do something in a particular way is what's causing stress and anxiety in people, which in actual fact increases the risk of disease anyway. So relaxing a little bit on what could be some of the tenets of a lifestyle program that you've decided to follow could in fact bring you more happiness, which may then translate to be greater longevity and certainly a happier life.
Doing what you want to do rather than what others want you to do.
That's
Absolutely.
right. Yeah.
What we've noticed on the island, Damien, is that there is not one bit of flat land that stretches more than 50 metres, It's impossible to get around this island without moving. And so many times we've gone for a drive and you have to get out of the bus.
Yeah.
And walk the rest of the way.
Imagine walking from a bus. That's what we've had to do.
And so what we've observed here is that exercise for the Icarians is not something that they go, oh, you know what, I can't be bothered getting out of bed to, go for a jog or go for a swim. If they want to get stuff done, really, if they want to live their life, they're going to have to move their body.
Yeah.
If there's one thing that people can take away from this training video about how to apply that principle to the Western world, it's really about making exercise something that is a part of your lifestyle rather than something that you should all over yourself about.
Yeah, totally. People should all over you enough without you shooting on yourself. So it's good to work out ways and find strategies about that implementation into your life, which we do go through, don't we?
Thais said earlier in the trip when we were talking about going for a walk with Ilya, she was saying, look, if people come back and go, that was a great hike, she knows there's a problem because to the locals, it's just a stroll.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
It's just a stroll. And so if they come back going, that was really good, they know not to push the barrel on any other walks.
Yeah, that's right.
Because that was already a massive achievement.
That's exactly right. And that's a really good reflection on the fitness aspect of things. If you're not leg ready, in other words, if you're not walk fit, then you're not actually going to be able to do these things, through a terrain that's very unforgiving, very undulating, very hilly, very dry, and very hot, and very unstable under the foot, Yeah. As we know, I twisted my ankle and it's been a little bit swollen. But, Marcus Pearce, the other one of the top three, so number two, of the top three things that we've noticed that people have been doing that allows them to age beautifully and gracefully and amazingly is engagement. These people have been able to maintain engagement in their community, within their family unit, within their friendship unit, within their clubs and associations. They've maintained engagement in their life. They haven't just kind of retreated and just kind of lost their way. They haven't just, stayed at home reading crosswords or rereading the same book over and over again with a magnifying glass. They haven't done that. In fact, the ability to which they maintain their engagement is reflected in, seeing people farming up in the mountains here at the age of 85 and 90 years old, or creating items of food for the family who are much, much younger. But that engagement process is, I think, one of the most significant secrets. Oop, just got bitten by something.
Yeah, Marchfly went from me to you.
Yeah, did he? Secrets to success, and successful aging. So, most certainly, without a doubt, I've noticed that the engagement factor is a big deal.
The big, I suppose, fulfillment from the attendees here has been the social life that we've led. All of our meals have been at a family, what do we call it? Family dining, family style.
Yeah, family dining style.
And just that simple step has been massive. The Panigiri, going out and being within a small village, over 1,000 people at the party, has been incredibly rewarding.
Hasn't it?
To the point where people want to go home now and apply similar philosophies and beliefs around socialising to their own life. So our recommendation is, as you're watching this, is to invite a more social atmosphere into your lifestyle for greater fulfillment.
Yeah.
But Damon, the biggest challenge that people face with all of this information is, how do I do it? What do I do? There's so much happening in the world to live a great long life.
Yep.
My view is that coming here has forced us to challenge our beliefs around all of the research that we've done on 100 Not Out, particularly on the podcast. And what's been rewarding in many ways is we've had that confirmed through the lifestyle of the Koreans.
Yeah.
We know that they flush their toilet a little bit differently than what we do here. We know that their bathroom designs are a little bit different. But in terms of living with purpose, living with movement, living with engagement, they absolutely live it 100%.
Yeah.
The biggest problem is that people struggle with accountability to do it.
Yeah.
You spoke about when you were 39, there wasn't the accountability to actually make the rest of your life the best of your life. Having the podcast to do that has been a big shift.
Amazing tool.
So what we decided to do whilst we were here is to create the 100 Not Out lifestyle program to bring home the best bits of this retreat to you in the comfort of home and the comfort of your smartphone or whilst reading the program, so that you feel that you can, pardon the corny one-liner, make the rest of your life the best of your life.
Did I make that cornier?
We're so good at being corny.
I love it, corny.
So let us just take a moment to describe what's included in the 100 Not Out lifestyle online program, e-course, whatever you want to call it, so that you know what's involved when you enroll in the program. First things first is there's a video recording of the principles that we've observed on the island of Ikaria. We've done those three. Do you want to share some of the other videos that we've recorded for people on what makes Ikaria such a long-lived island?
Yeah, sure. Well, we've actually broken down many aspects of it, haven't we? So we've looked at at food preparation. We've looked at the community effect of eating with the community. We've looked at the consumption of wine. We've also looked at incidental exercise and movement. We've looked at socializing. So we've looked at so many different ways. And I suppose honey. We looked at honey. Yeah. Not as in honey, but but we have looked at honey. And there's the greatest thing about it is that every time we explore something that's happening in Ikaria, another thing actually starts to appear, doesn't it? So, as we were marching through the cavern the other day, and we marched for 4 hours in the heat, being chased by sunlight. We saw all kinds of wildlife and all kinds of things, but there's many things that we were able to reflect upon, particularly not only the landscape, but the things that were absent from the landscape with regards to what we would see as essential for life and for longevity in our home. Back in Melbourne or in Byron Bay. So, for example, coconut. One of the things I commented on was that I was feeling quite fearful for the Koreans, that as we were travelling through the caverns, and even looking around here, actually I'm a little bit panicked about it again. There's actually no coconut trees. And so I thought to myself, where will they get sustainable, local, organic and whole coconuts from their own island so that they can live a long time, and in fact then call themselves Paleolithic? But all puns intended. My thing, I suppose, here is that what we've learned is that the relaxation of the rules appears to be one of the greatest ways in which these guys live a long time. Now, we also acknowledge that yes, you want to live a long time because that's a measurement tool of success, but the other measurement tool of success is that you live a long time being great, making the rest of your life the best of your life, so that you don't end up in a nursing home rocking backwards and forwards, or forgetting your friends or your family's names. You don't want to have that, and much of that is achieved through movement and diet, and many of the secrets that we share in this video series.
So there's interviews and presentations with the great man Damien Christoph. We have Ilya come join us, and he shares some of his wisdom around the Panagiri. You'll have Thea Padikos, Ilya's wife, share the wisdom around so many factors that really make the Icarian lifestyle so incredible, but most importantly, parts of their lifestyle that are so easy to implement in our own daily life. So you get the videos that we've recorded here, you get the audios of the so you can travel wherever you like with this program. You can be in the car on the way to work, you can be on a plane and consuming the content. You get the transcribed versions of the video and audio so that you can read about this lifestyle wherever you are.
Circle it, highlight it, implement it, talk about it. That's such a wonderful opportunity to be able to really put it into your body. Some people like to listen. Some people like to watch, some people like to read. Now, the biggest purpose of us doing this is we want you to experience the clarity and the confidence that you can and you will live this lifestyle in the way that you choose. Now, Damo,
people that came here did not spend the almost minute amount of money that we're going to be talking about for the 100 Night Out Lifestyle program.
No, they didn't.
The 100 Night Out Longevity Retreat was $6,997.
Yeah.
Now, it included all food, all accommodation, all the entire experience. People didn't spend a cent unless they wanted to buy souvenirs whilst they were here. Now, there is absolutely no way that we are charging $7,000, best part of, for the 100 Night Out Lifestyle e-course. The 100 Night Out Lifestyle e-course, as we've been recording it here, we're pretty efficient, but we haven't made it here.
No.
Whilst we've been doing it. We haven't edited all the videos and uploaded it. So whilst that's occurring, you have a very special introductory offer of 247 for the 100 Night Out Lifestyle Program e-course. Now, Damo, I haven't told you this, but there's something very special.
Always worries me.
No.
Excites me.
No,
Maybe it's exciting.
Yeah, this should excite you.
Okay.
Now, before I tell you what that special bonus is, we've loved our time here in Ikaria.
Yeah, we have.
But I'm not going to pretend that this lifestyle is for everyone.
No.
So, because it just makes sense that we're not all the same.
Yep.
You have a 30-day money-back guarantee on the program. If you decide partway in it's not for you, then it's not for you. That's totally okay.
Yep.
There's a very special bonus which I want to talk about. There's two bonuses.
Oh.
One of them you don't know.
Okay.
Springing this on you. When you enroll in the 100 Night Out Lifestyle program, you receive the entire photo journal collection of the trip that we've been on. Not the Facebook only photos.
This is unbelievable.
You
Really?
get into the thick of it. Some of the behind the scenes videos
Wow.
that have not been published to Facebook. Some of the
amazing stuff.
some of the outside the 9 to 5 working hours.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
you really, the purpose being, so you really feel like you can experience what has been experienced on this retreat.
Yep.
You all right with that?
Yeah. Yes. I think that's great. That's amazing because the photos and the videos and all that content, so unbelievable. It's amazing. So to be able to get that and get access to it without actually having to be here, but then almost being able to, when you look at these photos, it feels like you're actually part of it.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Videos of you at the Panaghetti.
It's the videos of him at the
Yeah.
Panaghetti you want to be looking at.
Now, the most excitable bonus for me, and you as well, because
Yeah.
we are, I'm not the golden retriever that you are, but
Yes, that's
I'm
right.
like your little friend, whatever
Yeah.
golden retriever's friend is.
The poodle.
When you enroll in the 100 Night Out Lifestyle program, you receive one ticket to the 100 Night Out Lifestyle 2-day event in Melbourne in November at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre. It's a special bonus, a special way of us saying thank you for enrolling. Sorry, Marchfly's trying to eat my leg off here.
Eating to bits.
But we want this to be accountable. It's no good just having the program and then getting busy in life again and not absorbing it and living it. When you come to the 100 Night Out Lifestyle 2-day event, you get the accountability from us, but also the accountability of other like-minded people that are genuinely interested in making a better life for themselves.
Absolutely.
So you have the online program, the video, the audio, the ebook transcriptions. You have the entire photo and video collection just for your eyes only
unbelievable.
to bring you even closer to the experience. And I think most importantly, you have the real life accountability of coming along to Melbourne at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre for 100 Night Out Live, truly living the lifestyle.
Now that price, Marcus Pearce, $247. That's at the moment, right?
This is only for a limited time because once it's actually freely available, so when you hit buy now and it's done, the price goes up to $297.
That's
so
right, yep.
once this program is released, you will get it. But once this program is done, the price goes up.
Yep.
It's a pre-sale.
That's what it is.
It's a pre-sale.
Yep.
So make sure if you know you're ready to not just live a good life, not just live an okay life, not just live the life that others expect of you, but to live the life that you truly want to live with the wisdom of the Icarians, one of the blue zones of the world, through the eyes and the experience of this great man, myself, 13 others, Ilya, Thea, and the Icarians here. We really, truly invite you to join us on this Icarian adventure through the videos, the audio, the ebook, the photos, the special videos of Damien at the Panaghetti and in Melbourne at 100 Night Out Live. Thanks again for joining us. Truly hope you've enjoyed this video. And as always, continue to make the rest of your life the best of your life.
This has been a production of TheWellnessCouch.com. Check us out on Facebook and join in the conversation on Facebook.com/The Wellness Couch. Subscribe to each show on iTunes and check us out on Twitter. The Wellness Couch, streaming wellness into your lives. Whilst the Wellness Couch presenter endeavor to provide accurate and helpful information to their listeners, these podcasts cannot take into account individual circumstances and are not intended to be a substitute for health and medical advice from a qualified health professional. You should always seek the advice of a qualified health professional before acting on any of the information provided by any of the Wellness Couch podcasts.